Hi, my dear students. I am a holistic child development coach Saket, and today I am going to tell the meaning of an essay. This essay is in Sanskrit, and the name of this essay is Doordarshanam. Doordarshanam. This is a word, and when we break this word into two parts, Door and Darshanam. Door means far, and Darshanam means we can see, which is visible. Suppose some cricket is a game is going on in England and you are watching at your house. At the same time you are watching, and it was possible. It is possible just because of the great effort of our scientists. So we'll know about lots of things. See, Doordarshanam. Doordarshanam is television. The meaning of Doordarshan is television. Even Door means tele and Darshanam means vision. This meaning is very simple. Now, Doordarshanam आधुनिक विज्ञानस्य षष्ठी विभक्ति and this the meaning of स्य is ka. Doordarshanam means television is a wonderful invention of modern science. We can see here Doordarshanam आधुनिक विज्ञानस्य means modern science. Of modern science, ekah means one, adbhut means wonderful, aviskar means invention, asti means hai. So first we will use this arrow method. Means first we will start from here, then we will come here. So television is a wonderful invention of modern science. Television is a wonderful invention of modern science. Now, idam manoranjanasya sadhanam asti. Idam means yaha. See, there are three words in Sanskrit for this. One is ayam, it is used for male, iyam for female, and idam for non-living things. And the meaning of this ayam, iyam, idam is same, that is this. Then idam means this is, asti means is, here will be is. This is the source of entertainment, it entertains us. This is the source of entertainment. Iyam manoranjanasya sadhanam asti. Now, asya yantrasya margdarshakah palanipakah abhavat. Asya means iska, its, yantrasya means machine, margdarshaka means guide, palanipaka means caretaker, abhavat means was. Means a caretaker guided this machine. Caretaker was the guide of this machine. Now we'll read once again. Asya yantrasya means margdarshaka, the caretaker of the guide of this machine was Palanipakah, means caretaker. Caretaker guided this machine. Now, tat then paschat. After that, J.L. Baird Mahodaya, means J.L. Baird sir, was successful, aviskaraka, inventor, abhavat, was. After that, J.L. Baird was a successful inventor of this machine or TV or television. अस्य सफलः प्रयोगः आंग्लदेशे अभवत्. Its successful utilization was started in Angladesh, but we should know it was started in Scotland. Now, samprati means at this moment, at this time. Prayah, almost. Sarvesu means all the. Grihe, sampanna grihesu means prosperous houses. Means right now it is utilized, and it can be found in all the prosperous houses. See, samprati at this time, praya means almost, sarvesu means all, sampanna grihesu prosperous houses, doordarshanam TV virajate can be found, is seen. Whatever it may be, everything is right, but we should know what is the concept of writing. Now, samprati, again samprati is there. At this time, at this moment, jnana vijnana prapte, and we can simply know to acquire the knowledge. Okay, to acquire the knowledge. Idam means this. Sarvottam means topmost. Madhyamam vartate means at this time it is the best source of getting knowledge. It is the best source of acquiring knowledge. See, samprati at this time, jnana vijnana prapte, for acquiring knowledge. It is the best source. Here the meaning of sarvottam will be best, and Madhyamam means source. It is the best source of knowledge. Again, we are watching it. दूरदर्शनम आधुनिक विज्ञानस्य एकः अद्भुतः आविष्कारः अस्ति. Means TV is the wonderful invention of modern science, and it is the best source to get entertainment. Now, the caretaker was the TV's guide. After that, Gelbard Mahoday, yani sir, Gelbard sir was the successful inventor of TV. After that, its prayog was started, its use was started in Angal Desi. Angal Desi means Scotland, we can say, Samprati. At this moment, almost all the houses have this television. Again, at this time, it is the best source of knowledge. So I hope that you would have enjoyed a lot to read this essay. And as you know that I am a holistic child development coach, and I teach some courses like magical mathematics, magical vocabulary, magical GK, public speaking, English speaking, memory mastery, mind processing, devotional development, and fast reading. After that, many things like calligraphy, goal setting, goal achieving, and these are the most beneficial things. Answer writing, content writing, and all of them you should know that this is the best part of learning. So I hope that you would have enjoyed this. If you are really interested to join in my course, you are cordially welcome. So bye, we'll meet in next video. Bye bye.